Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Poppy from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the bow. Let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it down on both ends. And then a curve across the bottom to form a curved rectangle shape. Now from the top corners, let's draw a curve up and out. And then a curve down from the bottom corners. And then close off each side with a wavy line down and back in. And now inside, let's draw two curves on both sides like this. And that's it for the bow. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a circular curve down and back up. Now inside, let's draw two large circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. Now on the outside corner of each eye, let's draw two curves up for the eyelashes. And then a small angled line down on top of the left eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. Then let's curve it down and in on both ends. And a curve underneath. And add some lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve on the left and on the right for the tops of the arms. And then let's angle it in on both sides. Now let's draw the hands, starting with the left one. Underneath the left arm, let's draw a curve over to the right and back out. And then a larger curve underneath, like this. Now for the right hand, let's draw a curve down and over, and a small curve inside. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move out and let's draw the dress. Let's start with two small angles down. And then a curve out on both sides. And a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start with two lines down on the left and two on the right. And then add a curve up underneath each leg. And close off the bottom of each foot. And lastly, inside each leg, let's draw three curves across. And that's it for Poppy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!